Aromatherapy for well-being. Before you start viewing this presentation, please give yourself 1 minute of mental and emotional relaxation. Visualize what you want to get at the end of this video. Relax your mind, feel the relaxation, breathe deeply. Everything is possible because everything is energy, and energy is all around us. The essences of the plants used in this clip are facilitators for the realization of your desires. You're a complete and wonderful person. Trust yourself. Emotional problems. Sorrow. Grief, disappointment, regret and loss can cause deep sadness. It can last a long time, depending on the person. The following oils have been found to be helpful. Sandalwood, 15 drops, frankincense 10 drops, benzoin, 5 drops. Sandalwood. Santalum album brings our wisdom into a meditative state. Emotional healing. To encourage sensitivity, serenity, harmony, peace, unity. Aroma, warm, balsamic, rich, woody. Physical healing, antiseptic, diuretic, tonic, calmative, decongestant. Frankincense. Boswellia cartrii is elevating, spiritual and meditative, holds some of the wisdom of the universe. Emotional healing, induce feeling of emotional, stability, protection, courage, acceptance and inspiration. Aroma, warm, sweet, balsamic, spicy, incense-like. Physical healing, tonic, stimulant, expectorant, antidepressant, antiseptic. Benzoin. Styrax benzoin triander can be a pathway to understanding when all is confusion. It can assist in the choices which must be made with the heart. Emotional healing, to encourage comfort, elevation, peace, determination, while being soothing and protective. Aroma, warm, balsamic, chocolatey vanilla. Physical healing, antiseptic, antidepressant, expectorant. Warning, avoid during pregnancy can cause irritation to sensitive skin. You can use them, on a tissue or a piece of cotton, 1 drop just inhale when required. In a bath, run the bath and then add 8 drops of essential oil. Massage oils, 1 drop to each meal base oil like jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil.